All right, so with the help of, what is it, Pinterest?
Pinterest.
Pinterest.com. Sim and I are going to make a smoothie for each other.
Does Caddy know that these are banned? What?
Oh, she said them buy before the ban. I have the pina colada smoothie to make for her, and she has a cinnamon bun smoothie to make for me. All right, so my ingredients.
I'm not big on smoothies.
What is
it's okay,
this?
thanks.
Pineapple? And everything must go in here, right? In this little something here?
I don't think all of that should go
She
in
say
there.
everything. She say everything. Don't you say everything?
Is that pineapple smoothie?
Eh?
Go on now.
This look plenty to me. Banana, we say.
And I don't want any banana in mine.
Eh?
I don't want any banana in my...
I will drink it then, is that right? This is for me or for you?
If you're making the pina colada, shouldn't you have this?
The cinnamon is over here.
Here, this is
No,
yours.
pina colada is what? Me have this. And all of this must go in here. Coconut milk. Hold on, let's say it expire from 2016.
That's just a container. Come, knock yourself out.
See this up, say. The buckle expire. See, the whole light couldn't hold. It's a good thing I know what I'm doing. Then what I do now?
Put on the cover.
Wait vanilla there.
Vanilla? I don't send vanilla.
Yes, man.
There's another one here.
Yes. How which way? So?
No.
Is it?
Yes. No. Yes. Blade up top. Blade up
The
top.
blade on the inside. No?
Go on.
Don't?
Go on now.
Yeah, but you just tell me no.
I've never used a neutral bullet.
You just tell me no.
Boy, you're not screwing on that thing so good at all.
I know, I usually do. Anyway,
Yeah, I know. I know now.
Then wait, just turn it over.
You can't help yourself.
Just
no.
turn it over and
yes,
this?
and shove down.
And shove
Wait,
down.
now make sure it catch into the...
Yeah.
That doesn't look like pot. No, hey, what you going to do?
Big tune that's in it.
This is more like mix it up. Just stick it in the top. Yeah. All right. So I'm making you. Need more oats. What am I making him, by the way? Or something. So I'm going to give you a little bit of the oats with little bit of banana. This banana is very ripe. A little tubes of cinnamon.
Big tune.
Mix
See me
with
try clean it
little
up
bit
properly
of vanilla. Oh, honey, jeez, I would
That
never
is
know.
maple syrup.
But why, if we have banana in there? It's gonna be extra sweet.
See, I clean it up for you.
Not quite now. And then a little bit of pina coladas.
It's almond milk.
Oh, yuck.
Everything that.
Don't like almond milk. Ew.
I clean it off for you.
It's
You
not
mustn't push in
clean.
all of it.
I didn't.
I saw?
Okay. Ready? Why I need to start with this thing more than anything else. See, mine look like a smoothie. Yours it look like paste. Okay. Yes, this is much more better for consistency's sake. I don't really get the point of putting this on the top if you can sup from it, but okay. Here you go, sir. Enjoy. I'm good, I'm full.
You don't trust me. You saw what I was doing. I
That's
didn't
the problem.
All right, wait. So what is yours now? Yours is what?
Something.
Cinnamon bun. Okay, can I drink a bun?
So good.
You know, it tastes good.
Banana, the banana is just.
It don't reach jubbly.
I wouldn't even hazard the lovely, you know.
It stop at lovely.
No.
Taste yours. I haven't tasted it.
It looks like, but it looks like pot water.
That them reach lovely.
I don't like almond milk. Oh!
I must taste it.
If you like almond milk, so I believe milk must be milk. Only pineapple is frozen, but it's not a problem.
Not bad. Not bad. But the
If it
oats,
were regular.
the oats not mix out proper.
I actually have that smoothie, regular milk or 1% milk with the oats and a little touch of banana because I don't like
the
sweet.
oats don't smooth out. You can see the oats, it don't smooth out. Why is it called a smoothie? Anybody knows why the drink is called a smoothie? She's such an idiot. Don't say it, can you talk some rubbish? Wait, name? Where president say why it's called smoothie?
So you blend out the ingredients and you make them smooth.
Oh. The show finished, right? We're going for a break? Anybody? The show finished? Okay.
Frozen
All right.
pineapple. Very refreshing.
All right, the show finished.
Bye, everybody. See you tomorrow morning with Dale.
We continue to talk.
Why do I eat so loud, though? Calling?